For some time now, Tentacle Sync has been the only one to offer QR generated timecodes for the GoPros paired with the GoPro Labs. What if I told you that the ATMOS ecosystem now supports QR generated timecode for GoPros Hero 8 and above? Did I mention you can also jam sync time of day? Now there are a few items you will need. First, you'll need the UltraSync Blue, ran as the master clock. We're going to fire it up now. You will also need the UltraSync Blue Slate app. I believe at this point it's only offered on iOS, and we're firing it up here. You'll see the two pair up here in just a moment. Just for demonstration, we're going to go ahead and fire up the UltraSync 1. This is ran as a client or a slave. Gonna go ahead and set it down here, try to balance it out. We're also gonna fire up the SyncBack Pro on the GoPro Hero 4 just for demonstration. Gonna mess with it here a couple times to get it going. And I'm also going to fire up the Tascam X8 that I have here with the Bluetooth dongle. This is for demonstration as well. You do not need this for generating QR timecode for the GoPros, but we're going to fire it up to demonstrate what else the UltraSync Blue can do. I'm going to go into the menu here and go ahead and set timecode to display. It is already automatically connected. I did pair it in the past, but to have that timecode display, we'll go in here just so you can see it as it updates on the app here. So we're going to jump into the app here, and right here there is a little gear icon that you're going to click on. And down here you'll see Jam Current Timecode. I'm going to click that and it'll load up here. And as you can tell, everything in the background is updated to the current timecode. It's 10:03/22:03. We're going to freeze frame here just so you guys can get an idea of how well these things are synced together. And continue on. So here's where the magic happens. Click on QR Sync, and up top you have a rolling QR code that's updating with the timecode as the timecode is running. And for those that don't know what's going on here, here's a quick clip. It's a scannable QR code from your GoPro. As long as you have GoPro Labs installed, this is possible. We're going to click back. You click timecode, it'll take you right back. And go over a few other little things in this app that you can do. Name your slate down here. I got mine FNH slate. And then you can also put in a director's name. Or maybe you want to put what camera you're shooting on. And also you can add in sound, maybe your sound mixer. I could put X8 here if I wanted, or one of these things. So some of the other things to consider with this is that you can run timecode on your iPhone videos now directly into the metadata, so you can sync everything back up in post with your UltraSync 1, whatever that's plugged into, the ATMOS communicating with other cameras via Bluetooth, or other iPhones or sound recorders, and your GoPros running off a QR generated timecode and or SyncBack Pros. So it opens up a lot of options for timecode across many different devices. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if there's anything else you would like to know on this Timecode Systems or ATMOS Timecode System, let me know and I'll try to make a video on it.